Hi everyone, welcome friends to this channel. And in this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can quickly and easily download TikTok on your iPhone or Android. Be sure friends, put your likes under this video. Please write your comments after watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let us get down to this topic with you. First, you will need to, if you have an iPhone, find an application called App Store. If you have an Android, then you will need to find an application called Google Play. Now log into such an app and you will need to go to the search part. Next, in the search box, please see the word TikTok in the search box. Next, you will need to click on the TikTok app. And here near the shortcut, you will see the word install or download. Please click on it so you will see how you will start the process of downloading this application. It won't take very long, about 1 to 2 minutes, depending on how good your internet is. Once this app is downloaded, you can easily access it either from the App Store you downloaded it from, or you can log out and find the TikTok app in the work page of your device. Open that app, and then you can sign into it. That's the simple and quick method you can download TikTok on any iPhone or Android device with fervor. I really hope you found this video useful. Please don't forget to put a like, write comments. Also be sure to subscribe to our channel. Take care, friends.